Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and today I'm gonna teach you the coin drop. So to do the coin drop, first of all you need the head coin drop. That is kind of like the same but using your head. So I'm gonna show you. This is the head coin drop. First of all you need this thing. Second thing that you need is the kick up. This move here. Because the kick, the push with your legs is almost the same. And also, of course, you need the backspin. I recommend you to practice it from the backspin first, because for me it's easier and you have more time to push. So you can start from a backspin, like that. And then it's kind of like a mix between a backspin and a kick up. So while you do the backspin, you have to think about doing a kick up like that. But instead to go straight, like from here to this side, you have to go to the left side. If you spin clockwise, like me. If you do the freeze with the right hand, you have to go on your left. So from here, you should push in this direction. Not straight like that, but like that. And you should kick with the right leg more than the left, like in this direction here. Yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna show you one time. Oh, first also I recommend you to practice with the hands. So from the backspin, just lift yourself up with the hands, like that. Practice that many times until you feel very comfortable, and then try to use your hands less and less. Then maybe just use one hand, my right. Now I'm gonna just use the right hand. And then try to only use the left hand. Like that. And then when you master it, you can try without using your hands. And also use your head a little bit when you are on the back. Like that. Lift down your, lean down your head and jump when you are here with your head. Not here, because if you do like that, there's the possibility that you bang your hand on the floor like this. But if your head is already on the floor, you will not hurt it. I'm gonna show you. One more time. That's it. Just practice it many times. Practice the head coin drop first, then practice it by using your hands, both of your hands, then just the right, maybe if you want also just the left, and then practice it without using your hands. That's it for the tutorial. Check out my merch, link in the description. Check out Roast Punch, Instagram, link in the description also, and see you in the next tutorial. Yo, ninjas!